Okay, so this is a 2013 Audi Q7 TDI, and this little beauty right here, when she was a pup, she loved to chew seat belts. She chewed both of the seat belts for the rear 7-seater. Both of those seat belts back there she chewed. She also chewed the driver's seat belt right here. I've replaced all three of those. And now this is the last one. Those rear ones were a bit of a pain, but not horrible. You know, you pop that cover off and, you get at the bolts and replace it. Not a huge deal. This one, not horrible. You take off all those side covers there and that vent, and then you can get in and get to the bolts and replace that as well. This one, however, is it's a little more tricky, and there were no instructions anywhere that I could find on how to do this. So what I did is I came in here and I just started peeling away this, which is all glued on, and then you got to kind of cut away this stuff because it leaves a layer of that. These are all hot glue lines. And this is all solid metal. So what I realize is that at the very bottom right here, you can see there's a nice plastic clip that holds this into the metal frame on the chair. So it actually isn't necessary to peel this off, but I kind of had to do that to do a little trial and error so that you don't have to. Also on the side right here is the same plastic clip that fits into a channel. So what you want to do is to get a screwdriver up under here, and then you just work that plastic channel till it's out up to here. Now you're not going to get it past that because the lock bolt for this seat is right here, and that you're going to have a hard time getting it by that. So what I do is take that off the side, do the same thing for the bottom, release this, and then what you can do is put your seat back. Here's the new seat belt, by the way. This bolt here actually gets bolted right down there, and then what you can do is once you've released those plastic pieces, you can pull the seat forward like so. You can put this seat forward if it helps you. Once you can pull all that forward, there's a cover right there with 4 or 5 rivets in it. 7 rivets. Drill those rivets out, and you can see the seatbelt mechanism right there. Seatbelt mechanism will have one bolt holding it in there, which is through that hole right there. And once you replace that, you just re-rivet the cover back on, put the seat back, clip everything in, and voila, you have a new seatbelt. Hope this video was helpful.